Hey guys, it's MMG Tutorials here, back with a brand new video. And today for you guys, I'm going to show you how to fix crackling or staticky audio for your headphones or for your computer. So if you experience crackling audio, here is a fix for you. And keep in mind, this is not automatic. So you have to ever so often manually check for updates for this change. And what I mean by updates is if I go back to my desktop here and you open up device manager, so if you go to device manager and once it's booted up, you want to select sound, video, and game controllers, not audio input and outputs. You want to go to sound, video, and game controllers. It is more likely going to be below software devices. At least that's where it is for me. But of course, your device manager may be similar or slightly different than mine. So what you want to do is you want to expand that menu once you find sound, video, and game controllers. And then you want to find your audio driver. So for me, it's the Realtek R audio. Whoop. So find your audio driver that's in your computer, that's for your computer. If yours is labeled different than mine, then I'm pretty sure if you get a computer, they'll tell you. It should show you or say somewhere where your audio driver or what the name of your audio driver is. So you want to right click on that, click on update driver, search automatically for drivers. Sorry guys, I think the audio cut off in that last clip. Basically what happened is it detected an update with my driver even though I did update before making this video. So I don't understand why it's saying there's another update. But once you're done, you click close and you want to say yes. So you would say yes and then, but for me I'm going to say no because I already have the update. And then what you want to do is, usually if you go under browse my computer and let me pick from a list, usually this driver will be selected by default, but for but for purposes, you want the high definition audio device, not your default, because when you play videos like YouTube videos, there's like a 3 to 5 second delay before the audio kicks in. So if you want instant audio hearing, like if you want to instantly hear audio, have high definition audio device installed. Click next. Say yes. Now you want to click close. I don't know why it keeps swapping my mic on OBS, but whatever. Then you want to click close on the pop-up once high definition audio device is installed. And then you want to say yes for when you restart. So I'm going to pause the clip here, and I will come back once my computer is restarted. Alright guys, I'm back. My computer restarted. And then now you're all set to go. The reason why I had you select the high definition audio device driver instead of your default audio driver is, for me, my default driver gives me that 3 to 5 second delay for YouTube videos. But if it doesn't for you, then you can keep your driver, the default driver. Yeah, so that was a quick video. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tutorial on how to fix crackling or staticky audio on Windows 11. I'm not sure how you do it on Mac, so you're gonna have to look up other videos for that. Same with Linux. If you use Linux, then I don't really know how that works either, because I have neither of those systems. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and make sure to turn on post notifications so that way you'll be notified when a new video comes out. See you guys in the next one. Peace.